Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to be giving my catch-all planner a refresh. And so this is my current planner I was using, which is a Happy Planner Classic Vertical that ended in June of 2021. And so after that, I was contemplating if I wanted to continue to use a vertical layout or something different. And I just like to change up my layouts. So I've used a vertical and I've used a dashboard layout for my catch-all or home planner. And I really love the dashboard layout for my catch-all, but I really didn't want to do too much of a dashboard layout for every planner. So I'm back to using a Happy Planner Classic Vertical. So what I'm going to be doing is just giving my planner a little refresh, changing out the covers, adding in some new inserts, taking some of the older ones out and all of that, and just kind of giving it a whole totally different look. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this refresh in my catch-all planner. So if you want to see what all was in the inside of this and how I was using this for the beginning of the year, I will put that link to that setup video in the description box or right here in this video, so you can go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to go ahead and revamp this and let you see what I'm going to be using. So let me show you the planner that I chose. So Happy Planner had a sale on their 18-month planners, and I went ahead and took advantage of that sale, and I picked up this black and white Happy Planner Vertical Planner to go ahead and use for the remaining 6 months for my catch-all planner. Now, I may end up using January through December of 2022 for a different type of planner, but I wanted to go ahead and just pull out July through December of 2021 to go ahead and use for my mid-year. So like I said, I just got this planner and I hadn't even opened it, but I know that it's pretty much a vertical layout, very neutral, black and white. And I may end up just pulling out some of these. Y'all know I love the perpetual calendar here. I just think it's really cute. So I may end up saving that for something else because I am using one already in both of my planners. But this is how the monthly looks like. Like I said, very neutral, no colors or anything, just black and white. And then this is what the layout looks like. So I'm pretty much happy with it. And so I think I'll be okay with using a vertical layout for the remaining of the 6 months. I probably will go back and do a rewind spread for my July because I wasn't able to figure out what I want to use. So right now what I was using was my daily planner to write down all the things I need to get done. And then I'm just going to pull that out. So this is the planner that I'm going to be pulling from and putting back into my current catch-all planner. And then I want to also refresh my cover. So what I did, I went ahead and printed out this beautiful printable from the digital dash box, which I think is so cute. And I'm going to use this as my cover. So I'm going to let you guys see how that's going to turn out. But I already printed out, already punched it, ready to go. And then I also did one to act as a back cover. So it's going to look like this in the front and then this in the back. But I love it. It says, "Give a girl the right shoes and she will conquer the world. Marilyn Monroe." Like, I think that is so cute. I love the digital dash box. They have beautiful printables, and you can also use the printables however you want. I like to use the printables for covers and dashboards, which I may end up going back and adding some more dashboards that will look similar to this, give it a nice little chic look. So yeah, so that's pretty much all that I'm going to be doing differently. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up real quick, and then I'm going to come back and kind of walk you through what I kept in the inside of this. I went ahead and refreshed my current catch-all slash home planner, and I loved how it turned out. I just love it. So I kept everything the same because everything was really working for me other than me just having to change out the month. So I took out January through June of 2021, and then I added in July through December of 2021 in here, but pretty much I kept everything the same. I did add a few new things, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip through that and let you guys see that. So I kept my cover, my frosted cover in here. Only thing that I did was just added in this printable from the digital dash box, which I just showed you earlier. And I just made this into a cover over my frosted cover. So I thought that was really cute. I did add that in here. I kept in my one word for the year. The only thing that I added in here was this planning routine, and this was inside of my social media planner, and I just repurposed it, and I'm going to put it into my catch-all and my home planner because there are just some things on here that I just think that it just goes well with as far as me doing a routine and making sure I'm checking off and doing an overview of my monthly, weekly, and also doing some brain dumps for my catch-all planner. So I just layered that over this beautiful dashboard that my friend Orchestrated Plans made for me with my name on it, and I think it just looks pretty. So that's one of the things that I added in here. So I went ahead and kept in my home zones. That is still working for me. I am revamping this. I had to redo this, but I will probably do a video and let you guys see how I do that. So I kept that in here, and I have meal planning section here, and then this is where my new current weeks will go. So I did keep in my title page, which I'll go ahead and put my name in later on, but this is going into July of 2021, and it goes all the way through December. So this is what the dashboard layout, and I love this planner because it is so neutral, but it also has some cute little dashboard or dividers. So this says, "We are never finished becoming who we truly are," in this gold foil. And then this is what the weekly looks like, very neutral. And then this is what August dashboard or divider looks like. Good things take time. And then here's September, October with the zebra, and November, and December. So I am really excited about this. I was going to change this out to the dashboard layout because y'all know I love the dashboard layout, but I may end up saving that and switching up some things coming into the 2022 planner lineup. So you have to just stay tuned for that to see how I'm going to be revamping, or if I'm going to be revamping and changing up my layouts. And then I also kept my budget section in the back, which I need to update as well. And then that's pretty much my total refresh that I did. This is what the back looks like because I did turn it into a cover as well, like that. I just think it's really, really cute. I'll put the link to the digital dash box in my description below if you want to go ahead and check that out and maybe sign up to get your monthly subscription of downloadable digitals that you can print off at your leisure. It's just super awesome. So I am going to keep this in my beautiful NOTIQ cover because I just think it goes well with the shoes or the heels here. And so I'm going to keep it in here. This actually is going to be my desk planner. My catch-all planner is going to be like my desk planner. It's going to stay here at home, but this is going to be a reference to my daily planner. So I'm going to reference this a lot and pull things out of here to go into my daily planner as I plan for the days. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy me setting up and refreshing my catch-all / home planner. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching.